everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all doing really good and staying safe at home. COVID बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, so I want you to stay inside and watch my videos. And I'm very sorry that I've come up with my new video after a very long time. So basically हमने पहले बनाया था MG Road shopping haul. अगर आपने ये वीडियो देखा नहीं होगा then please go and watch. I have added the link in the description. So first go and watch that video. And now we are going to make an MG Road try on haul जहाँ पे जो भी मैंने वहाँ से खरीदा है I'll just try everything and show it to all of you. Also prices देखेंगे, हम लोग quality देखेंगे, कैसा है, fancy है या नहीं, how is the design and everything. We'll just have a look at everything. So yeah, I hope you watch this video and love it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel. Alright, now without wasting any more time, let's get to the video. So the very first thing I got is this cute and pretty dress which has got these red cute flowers and black in color. So red and black is always the best combination and goes very well with any one of us. So मैंने सोचा ये खरीद लेते हैं and it's like really beautiful और fitting भी बहुत अच्छा है इसका and you won't believe what price it is for. Can you just guess it? So this dress is just for rupees 250 and I think in 250 rupees this is like amazing. I don't think 250 में इतना कुछ अच्छा मिल सकता है. So yeah, I really love this. I'll also wear this and show it to all of you. And let me know कैसा लगा आपको. The second thing was this denim skirt. I wanted to get a denim skirt in this type, in this color, and I got it. And the price of this is just rupees 200, and at 200 rupees it looks like super cool. If you haven't watched my Goa vlogs, just go and watch my Goa vlog part 1. In that I wore this skirt and it looks super cool in all the videos and pictures of Goa. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with this one, and according to price it's like amazing buy. So yeah, let's see how does it look on me. So this one is my most favorite dress, one piece dress, and मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. We can say it's a skater dress. And if you following me on Instagram तो आपने देखा होगा गोवा वाले बहुत सारे वीडियोस में मेरा ये ड्रेस है ही and it looks like very pretty. बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया मुझे and it gives amazing like absolute summer vibes because it's all white in color. It looks good for parties also and for outings also. उस हिसाब से मैंने ये लिया था and the fitting is like amazing and also the quality is really good. I'm in love with this dress. I love this a lot. The pattern बहुत simple है, बहुत simple and sober and still it gives an amazing look, like minimal design and still looks classy. So yeah, let's try this one also. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price. So the price of this dress is also rupees 250 and I think in 250 this is also a great buy, right? So yeah. This thing is like really good for summers. अभी के climate में this is amazing. So this I have got. This is a tank top which I've got just for rupees 100. So 100 rupees में बहुत अच्छा है and 100 rupees में क्या ही मिलता है. And as it is of cotton, it is really good and comfortable for summers and this sweating climate. And the other thing is that ये actually है तो top, लेकिन इसका height ज़्यादा है, so we can wear it as a top as well as one piece. So मुझे ये as a one piece भी fit होता है. So whenever I'll go to any beach वगैरह, then I'll definitely wear this and style it with some jacket or something, and it will look cool. I am damn sure. So let's try and see how does it look. Now let's get on to some accessories. So there is this purse, handbag, we can say a sling bag, and it looks like really beautiful. look at the belt. It has got belt over here also, so you can put it like this, as well as you can use it as a sling bag also. In this way, it has got this chain thing over here. And the price of this handbag is rupees 300, and according to its quality, I think it's really good. I'll just show you how does it open. Yeah. So अंदर मत देखना, मैंने वो कचरा अभी तक निकाला नहीं है, the papers that they put inside, and it has got like one section inside, and it's really good if you're going for some parties or evening में कहीं जा रहे हो, then it will look super cute. So this is the handbag, and I'm in love with this also. And now the very important accessory, that is belts. So we got these belts in rupees 100. So these were 2 for 100, and I wanted something like this जो कि मैं वन पीस पे वगैरह या फिर जंपसूट्स पे यहाँ पे लगा सकते हैं. So I've got these 2 for rupees 100. I'll tell you one thing. So we had got 4 belts. मेरी friend ने भी 2 लिए थे. Then they gave it for rupees 150. So we got 4 belts at 150. वैसे तो it's 2 for 100. So I think it's a great buy. The things जो कि हमें बहुत सस्ते में मिल रहे हैं, and you can just use, you can just style it the way you want. And yeah, once you're bored, you can just get rid of them and get the new ones from there again. So that's it for today. So these were the things I got from MG Road, and बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ते थे सारे, बहुत ज़्यादा affordable. I hope you love all of them, and if you want to visit, you can definitely visit. But yeah, not now. अभी कोरोना के time please मत जाना. उसके बाद we'll go for street shopping again. Until then, just sit at home and watch my videos, other videos, and do whatever you can. But please stay inside. So yeah, I hope you loved this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are close to 1000 subscribers, so I want all of us to share this video with our friends, family, relatives, and as much as you can. जितने भी girls हो उनको share कर सकते हो. It would be useful for them. बाकी सारे भी vlogs होते हैं मेरे, like travel, fashion, lifestyle, and more. So yeah, just keep watching all of them, and let's make it to 1000 subscribers very soon. Alright, bye.